How to fix Google Play Store no connection on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store no connection on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and here type Google Play Store and click on it and then click storage. And now first thing you need to do here is to click clear data and click OK, and then go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, and now go to this one here, data usage, and make sure background data is enabled, and that's it. Now just go back and restart your phone and try again. Turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.